Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and I'm here today with a review of the brand new FX by Ardent Cannabis. But before I get to that, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, I know a lot of people have been waiting on the release of this new product, as have I. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a big fan of Ardent Cannabis, and I have been using the Ardent Nova here for years now, and there's links to videos below of some of the videos I've done about the Nova, including how to infuse in it and how to decarboxylate in it. And I really love this gadget, but if I had any gripes at all about it, it's its small size. And I know that was the major complaint other people had. It works great, but you could only infuse a little bit at a time, say a cup or less, and under an ounce of weed at a time to decarboxylate. Well, introducing the Nova's literally bigger brother, the FX. Ardent has improved on their original design in a number of ways besides the larger size. And the larger size is great because now you can decarb up to 4 ounces of cannabis at a time, and you can infuse several cups of butter or oil at a time too. So it has a much larger capability. Comes in this nifty traveling case too, which is nice in case you ever want to take it with you. Because in addition to infusing and decarboxylating, you can actually bake and cook in this thing too. So pay attention if you're on the road or living out of a hotel room a lot or out of a dorm room. This gadget does it all. As I said, they've made several improvements over the original. First off, there are 2 different decarboxylation settings now. One for THC and one for CBD. So you get perfect decarboxylation regardless of what type of cannabis you're cooking with, high THC or high CBD. It also has a mode for infusing. So after you've decarboxylated your cannabis, you can add your oil, your butter, anything you want to infuse with the exception of alcohol into this, and you can infuse right in the Ardent. And I'm going to be doing a separate video on how to do this coming up, so be on the lookout for that. The other setting it has is a bake setting. So I don't know as most people are going to use it to bake at home. If I'm at home, I'm going to use my oven or my stove because it's just bigger and I'm used to cooking that way. However, you actually can like bake little banana breads or cook pastas or all kind of foods you can actually cook right in here. So think of it kind of as a cannabis easy bake oven. I kind of look at this as a bonus feature. As I said, if I'm at home, I'm probably going to use my stove, but it is perfect for decarboxylating and decarboxylating larger amounts, and also for making your infusions. It's just very easy, no muss, no fuss, no odor. It's a great gadget. I loved the original Nova, but the FX right now is even better. Available now from Ardent Cannabis. Check the comments below because I'm going to have a coupon code there for anybody that is interested in adding this gadget. And if you've been following me, you will know that this is actually the only gadgets that I personally use and endorse in my kitchen that are made specifically for cooking with cannabis. Ardent Cannabis, the brand new FX. Check it out. Eat your weed.